A lot of women in my practice come with a concern or even a fear, thinking that they have a breast cancer when they find a breast lump. Now, what is this breast lump? Do one need to really be so very scared or nervous about it? Breast lump is a lump which is seen in breast, can be seen it at any age, right from 18 years to 55 years. So always it need not be a cancer or malignancy. Breast lumps we can basically divide into something called benign. Majority of the women would have a benign, or something called malignancy, that is the breast cancer. Now, benign breast lump typically could be a fibroadenoma or could be a fibrocystic disease. Now, what happens in fibroadenoma or fibrocystic disease? So these are, I would say it's a spectrum of the same kind of condition. This is seen very commonly in a lot of women. Many a times the woman wouldn't have even felt it in her breast, but when they go for a scan for some reason, like in my practice, whenever I do any breast procedure, maybe a fat grafting, breast implant, breast reduction or lift, I always ask them to get a sonomammogram. So many of my patients come back with a fear, ma'am, the report says I have a cyst or a lump or a adenoma. So these are many a times a pickup or a finding which is seen only in radiology. That means you have absolutely no symptom and you have not even felt. So you need not bother about that. Only thing is if it is a significant size. So even when they do a scan, they will give you a grading. There's something called BI-RADS grading. BI-RADS grading 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Depending on what grading, repeat scan and follow would be required. So if it is say benign, we need not worry about them, we can just let it be, depending on how big the size is. And sometimes if it is a younger age group, say around 20, 25, and the lump is really big, one may have to go for its removal. But suppose you're 40, 45, you're already hitting the perimenopausal age group. So there's very unlikely that this lumps will become much bigger in that few years. So that also will determine whether you're young or you're around menopausal. Because typically once a lady hits a menopause, these lumps reduce in size and they don't grow any further. It's a very wide topic, so it's very difficult for me to put all the knowledge in one video. Now, if you have a lump and you have decided to go for a surgery, opt for a plastic surgeon. Why? The cuts, the incision, how we put is different. We try to remove majority of the lump, maybe by a cut around the areola, so that the scar is not seen. Or we try to put in the inferior mammary crease, so that again the cut scar is not seen. So once this lump is typically sent, we send it for histopathology to confirm the diagnosis. So all lumps need not be really scary. Yes, you need to take a professional opinion and not just believe whatever is being said. If a professional or a plastic surgeon or an oncosurgeon or even a general surgeon is suggesting further tests, then we may need to go for a MRI, we need to go for a true cut biopsy or excimer biopsy, and then the treatment will depend on that. So breast lumps need not be all scary, but yes, it needs a professional opinion. If you have any more doubts about it, you can always contact us at Pink Apple Aesthetics.